Hello once again, this is James and welcome to my training videos. Today we are going to look at age calculation in Microsoft Excel versus age calculation in Microsoft Access. To calculate age in Excel, we use the following arguments in our function. We start by putting our equal signs, we open brackets, we put today, open and close brackets, put a minus sign, click in somebody's date of birth, close brackets and divide by 365. Let us go into Excel and see how this happens. So we shall have our age column here. We shall open equal signs, open brackets, type today. As you try to type it, Excel will suggest it. It will open brackets, close them, put a minus sign, click in somebody's date of birth, close brackets and divide it by 365, and you should be in position to get somebody's age. It said, let's just try it one more time before it will handle. Click today, close brackets, put a minus sign, click in somebody's date of birth. Remember to put a opening brackets here and closing bracket, divide by 365 and enter, and there you are. This person is 22.9 months, 22.2 months, and if you feel handle, you can also get the same. Convenient. Now let us try to see how this is done in Access, Microsoft Access. When you come back to this presentation, it says to calculate age in Access, we use the query option and the following arguments in our function. So you will of course have a column for where you want to put the age, which will probably be called age. Then you have to start the function with the colon, write the function date diff to mean the difference between the dates, so the difference, open brackets, open quotes and type in 4Ys to represent the date format, put a comma, open square brackets, type in the title of the person's date of birth, in this case they use DOB, closing the square brackets, put a comma, type the function now. The function now ends with an opening and close bracket, then you close the bracket. This bracket closes the first one which opened when we are typing the diff. So let us go into Access and we see how this is done. So this is our table. We shall go into Create. Up there we shall come to Query Design, click there. We shall add our table. Let's try to zoom in. Table students. After adding it, it will come up there. We can close this. We are going to add our fields. Then probably want to put our function here, so we can expand this for clear viewing. Then I'll start by putting my colon. I'll type the function date diff, no space, open brackets, open quotes, type in 4Ys, close quotes, comma, we put the field which was used for somebody's date of birth, which is DOB. It has to be put in square brackets, so we put our DOB, close square brackets, put a comma, type now the function, open parentheses, so open brackets, close parentheses. Then you need to close the last bracket, which is closing the first bracket you opened in the beginning when you're starting our deaddiff function, so we close again. Then when we come up here to run, you'll see that we have our edges mapped out. This one doesn't give us the months, it rounds off to the first part of the number. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how we calculate age in Excel and in Access. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.